This is an unboxing of a phone case for the iPhone 12, which is the 6.7-inch version. It's from this company called Singdo. So it's an iPhone 12 Pro Max case. Let's have a look. Right. Okay, so it comes wrapped up, looks okay. Right, warning. So it's got screen protectors on, that's cool. Nice and easy to open. Nice big case, but then it's a big phone. What else have you got? Installation instructions, that's cool. Some cleaning wipes. And they've actually given like a lanyard, which is nice, which will attach to one of the corners. Yeah, it attaches there through that section there. So yeah, it's a nice case. It feels, without the phone, sturdy. It's easy to take apart, which I like. It's nice and solid on the edges, which is the most important thing, because when you do, if you do drop a phone, it's always the edges that gets the first hit. But that's nice. That's a lovely, lovely case. What I like about it is you've got the nice clear look, so you can actually see the beauty of the phone, because the phone's not cheap, let's face it, and you want to see the beauty of your phone. But I think it's lovely. I think for the price it's good value, but it's definitely nice and sturdy, comes nicely presented. Please make sure you remove any glass, screen protector before you install the case. So yeah, I think it's great. Highly recommend it. I'm going to put the link for the Amazon store that I got it from on the video. Thanks for watching.